I've just discovered the ultimate YouTube money-making niches for 2024, and today I'm going to share all the details for free. This YouTube channel is generating more than $10,000 in revenue in a month, with just simple animated screens and stock creatives. Each video consistently attracts 100,000 views on average. Many online experts mislead you about the true earnings of these channels. Before I demonstrate how simple it is to make this kind of videos and show example niches, let me prove their income for you. First, let's check if the YouTube channel is monetized on this site by entering the channel URL here. As you can see, all the videos on this channel are monetized. Next, we'll review the RPM table, which stands for Revenue Per Thousand Views. Based on the channel's niche, animation, the RPM is between $9 and $20. By calculating with the 2 million views the channel had last 6 months, we estimate their earnings to be approximately $30,000 from YouTube ads alone. Additionally, they are earning from product promotions featured in their videos. As YouTube viewers are increasing day by day, it is not surprising that similar channels with simple edited videos are rapidly gaining popularity. Starting now could put you next in line. I'm sure you're wondering, how can do it by myself? Let's see together how easy it is to create videos like these. Stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal top trending niches in 2024. To start creating, we will first go to ChatGPT. First, I'll ask the AI to generate 12 unique philosophical concepts, each with a brief description. Next, we'll customize our results by adjusting the tone with a tailored prompt like this to ensure uniqueness. Once we finalize the list of concepts and their descriptions in our preferred style, we'll move on to creating voiceovers. For the voiceover, if you want to stand out, you can opt for an AI voice. Sign up to 11 Labs for free to find an AI voice that suits your style. You can find its link in the description. If you want to use more customized voices, explore the Voices section to find options that resonate with your video. After selecting your voice, paste the text you created with ChatGPT in batches and create voiceovers. Doing it in batches ensures the script flows naturally and doesn't sound awkward. After finishing voiceovers, it's time to focus on creating visuals. You'll be amazed at how easy this process can be. All you need is a Canva account. From the homepage, simply click on New Design and choose a presentation template. Next, add a separate slide for each of the concepts we created earlier with ChatGPT. Similar to the example video, we'll include animated visuals for each talking point to enhance our video. To achieve this, explore the Elements section to find suitable graphics that align with the video's theme. You can also use other sources online to find different elements. And here is a useful tip for you. Using simple visuals helps attract the audience more effectively. Once your slides are ready, simply drag them into CapCut or another video editing program and synchronize them with music and voiceover. Some may wonder if this editing style is too basic. You may ask if you need to use video edits like professional channels. The answer is no, not yet. In less crowded niches, complex editing isn't necessary. Many simple channels achieve great results with really simple edits. As more creators enter a niche, standing out will require better editing. But for now, as a beginner digital entrepreneur, choosing the right niche is most important. For that, I will share the top 7 niches of 2024 with you. These aren't just entertainment niches. They are all viable opportunities that you can build your business around. In my opinion, one of the most attracting niches of 2024 is online money making. Look how this channel is booming, discussing how to make money with AI tools. With over 300,000 subscribers from just 50 videos, it's clear this niche is extremely popular. I first noticed this trend a year ago on YouTube, where videos about using AI for various purposes going viral. The online money-making niche has a CPM of about $15 per $1,000 views and offers excellent monetization opportunities through affiliate marketing with AI tools. Overall, I rate this niche a 8 out of 10. By the way, CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views, which tells us how much advertisers are paying YouTube for 1,000 views. The second niche for 2024 is historical stories. Have you noticed how more and more people are diving into the fascinating world of historical facts? From the mysteries of the pyramids to the tales of daring explorers, history is making a comeback in the coolest way possible. And here is an example channel called Knowledgia, attracting thousands of views with simple faceless history videos. The CPM for this niche is around $5, and it's not as strong for partnerships, so I would rate it a 7 out of 10. The third best niche to start in 2024 is fitness. No matter if it's 20 or 50 years from now, people will always care about staying in shape. Many influencers excelled in this niche and created million-dollar businesses, but new channels with very simple videos are still attracting viewers. Picture Fit is an excellent example with really simple videos about fitness. If you can find a unique angle like this, you'll have a great chance. Despite a CPM of only about $8 per $1,000 views, there are many other monetization strategies available in this niche. I'd rate this niche a 8 out of 10. The fourth best niche for 2024 is personal finance. Helping people make more money always has great profit potential. For example, this channel has gained over 10,000 subscribers with just 12 videos. The reason is clear. The content adds value to viewers' lives, encouraging them to subscribe for more tips on making money. This niche boasts a high $12 per $1,000 views CPM, the highest on our list, along with numerous partnership opportunities. If you can break into this niche, I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your support helps me grow and create more great content for you. The fifth best niche to start in 2024 is technology news. For example, channels discussing AI have rapidly grown massive audiences. The key is to catch a trend early, like new software or technology, which can lead to significant profits. Depending on the specific tech area, the CPM can reach up to $15 per $1,000 views. However, it can be challenging to break into, so I rate this niche a 6 out of 10. The sixth best niche is relationship advice. Unlike learning a new skill, this is a fundamental biological need that always interests people. Dating coaches and love Chanels on all social media channels have amassed large audiences in recent years. The CPM is around $5, and sponsorships can be harder to get, so I rate this niche a 7 out of 10. Finally, the seventh best niche for 2024 is healthy lifestyle. This trend is here to stay and will continue growing. Early adopters like Andrew Huberman has already seen great success, and new accounts like Big Muscles are also exploding. There are numerous monetization opportunities in the health and nutrition niche with a CPM of about $15 per $1,000 views. So, I rate this niche a perfect 9 out of 10. Remember, picking a niche is super crucial for your success because it's the heartbeat of your whole channel. Think of it as a mix of what's hot, what you love, and what you know like the back of your hand. After all, you'll be creating loads of content on this. I've put in some serious effort to bring you top-notch niche ideas, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesomeness. Oh, and don't forget to check out my other videos on making money online. Trust me, they're gold.